All right, everybody, we are back. We are back on the No Nonsense Trader show. And today I'm going to show you how to take that strategy that you made in Strategy Quant and we're going to put it into MT5. So that awesome strategy that you made in your custom project, let's move that over to MT5, put all the indicators in there and make sure it's working well. And so let's get started. All right, so now we are in Strategy Quant. And while I do this, I'm probably going to do this a little bit sloppy so that we can just go slow with this and figure it out, and maybe make a few mistakes along the way, because that's how we do things normally. And so here are the custom projects. And let's just say I made a great custom project for this one, GBP JPY on the 4 hour. We're going to go to the final file. And let's just take this first one. This one is the best one. Oh, no. Geez, sorry. This 93 fitness one. This one has a profit factor of 1.72. Let's take this and then make it into an expert advisor so we can put it into MT5. So here's the strategy, and then here's the source code. And so in the source code there's going to be indicators that this uses. We can check out those indicators here, which ones they are, but all those indicators have to be in MT5 for this to work. And so we're going to do two things. We're going to take all the Strategy Quant indicators and put them into MT5, and we're also going to take this strategy and save it into MT5. So I picked the strategy, and then I'm going to save it as an expert advisor MetaTrader 5. And then it says save to file. Okay, don't display this message again. And then I got to put it somewhere, so I'm just going to put it on my desktop. Desktop, save. Okay, so now we've got it on my desktop somewhere. Let's find it. There it is, and that's the strategy that we're going to put into MT5. Now let's make sure that MT5 has all the indicators that are necessary for this to run. So we're going to go into Strategy Quant, which is here. Custom indicators. Open it up, and then MetaTrader 5, and then indicators, and then all of these indicators right here, we're just going to put them all into MetaTrader 5, and we're going to copy them. And then we're going to go into MetaTrader 5 and file. And then it says open data folder, so that's Control Shift D. And then whatever that was, sorry, going too fast here, MQL5. And then indicators. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste them all right here, and there we go. We've got it in there, and that's good. Okay, but we still got to put my expert advisor in there too. So we'll go back to, what is it, Control Shift D, and then indicators, experts, and then we're gonna paste it. Okay, there's my strategy, but we're not done yet. We gotta compile it. Okay, so to do compile it, we open up this one. This one's MetaTrader 5, but this one's Meta Editor 5. Comes along with it. And then we gotta go file. Oh, sorry, no. We click on this one, indicators. And then left click it. No, right click it, sorry. And then click on compile. And then in the corner here, you can see it compiling. And that's lovely. And so it's compiling all those indicators. And it takes a while to do it. So, yeah, we're just going to sit here and talk about stuff. Lately, I've been into exercise. Here's a picture. I've been into kettlebells. It's pretty fun. You guys into exercise? Anyone out there? Okay, so we compiled the indicators, and looks good. What about this next one, the experts? We're also gonna click compile. It's compiling, whatever that means. Compiling, creating, putting the code together, compiling. Yeah, but I've been into the kettlebells, and now I'm switching it up, and now I'm doing jogging. You guys jog? Anyone jog out there? All right, now it's all done, and we're going to close Meta Editor 5, and do you have to close this? I think you got to close and restart this one anyways. Close MetaTrader 5, reopen it, and then go back to check that it's all good. Go back into MetaTrader 5, and then Control-Shift-D, and then go into the indicator file. And I don't know if you remember, but there was only one file when I put it in there. Now there's two of each, and that's how you know you successfully compiled it. And the same goes for the expert advisor. There's two of them. You can't just have the one. You gotta have the program file and the source file. Yep. And then now I'm going to show you how to deploy the strategy. So, okay. What was that one? It was oh my god, GBP, JPY on the 4 hour. Okay, so first we can go 4 hours, and oh, this one already has let's remove that. That one already had an expert advisor on it. And yeah, so well, let's just make it really simple here and kind of make a mistake, but because that was GBP JPY, so you want to make sure you're using a GBP JPY, but just for this example, let's just use GBP USD. And then you have to, if it's the 4 hour chart, okay, let's just pretend this is GBP JPY on the 4 hour, and then we're good, right? And now we're going to take that strategy and we're going to drag and drop it here. And then here on the inputs, you can change your lots, your money management, and make sure that's good, and how your initial capital, everything on how you want it to be. All those rules, you can double check them inside of here. Okay, and then one more thing we're gonna check is algo trading is clicked on, off, on, right? So because it's blue here, it's on. And we're also going to go into options. And we're going to click on expert advisors. Now by default, this one is not clicked. So this one, allow DLL imports, we're going to have that clicked. And also, I think these two are clicked on default right here. So you got to unclick these two and make sure that allow algorithmic trading is clicked, and then allow DLL imports is clicked, and then push OK. And then if everything is good, you'll actually see a happy face in here as well. And if you see a sad face, it's not going. And that's how you put a MT5 expert advisor into a chart. And that's how you know the chart is, or the expert advisor is working right there. And this video is a little bit sloppy, not edited perfect and fast, so I like to do that just to make it so this is real life on how actually you do things. You know, things can't be super perfect, and we're gonna make mistakes as we go along. But I hope you learned something through this, and yeah, we'll catch you in the next one. Hey, you're still here. What you need to do next is you need to show me that you're actually there and you're watching, and you need to press the like button, or write me a comment. Just write me anything, I don't care. I need to know there's other people out there, other humans. And or you can actually just shoot me an email. I like emails. Or you can actually visit my website, because I've been working on it. Have you checked out my website? I'm going to put the link down below. It's nononsensetrader.com. Tell me what you think. Read the last blog I wrote. I'm going to start writing some blogs about prop firms, how to pass the evaluation tests, and calculating the correct risk with your profit factor from your expert advisors. You know, you could put six expert advisors with really small incremental risk percentages all working together to pass your prop firm evaluation if you're interested in that kind of stuff. Lots of different videos, lots of different thoughts coming through my mind, and yeah, putting it out there for you. And yeah, let me keep on working for you, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye. Bye for real this time. Bye.